Hello friends, in this session we will see circle command. Okay, if you want to use the shortcut of the circle command, then enter only C and click on enter. Okay, after that see in that command line there is a specify center point of the circle. Okay, then specify the center of the circle, and here the if you want to radius, otherwise if you want to diameter, then enter here. But now in dynamic input use the command, otherwise in command line specify radius of the circle. Okay, then enter radius of the circle 5. Okay, again select a circle command and specify center point of the circle. If you want to enter directly diameter of the circle, then see in command line there is a specify center of the circle or in bracket diameter. If you want to enter the diameter, then enter D. Okay, and enter, then see in command line there is a specify diameter of the circle, then enter diameter of the circle which you want. Okay, I want diameter of the circle is 10 mm and enter. Okay, see here the diameter of the circle. Okay, like this circle command is used. Okay, after that click on drop down button of the circle. Okay, now here the center radius and center diameter circle, here the directly command also available. Okay, you can use this method or otherwise directly use the commands. First one is center radius, second one is center diameter. Now the third command is 2 point circle. Okay, select it here. Specify first end point of the circle diameter. Circle diameter specify first point. Okay, this is the first point and this is a second point, means diameter of the circle. Simple. Then enter 10. Okay, and enter. See, this is a diameter of the circle is 10. Okay, for checking you can use dimension. See here the diameter of the circle is 10. Okay, now next is third one is 3 point circle. Select 3 point circle command. Specify first point on circle, specify second point on circle, and specify third point on circle. Like this you can make a circle. Okay, using 3 point command. Next is 10 radius. Okay, if you want to this circle and this circle is tangent with another circle and the radius of the circle is 10. Okay, then use 10 radius command. Okay, here after selecting 10 radius command is see in command line specify point on object for first tangent of the circle. Okay, this is the first point tangent of the circle and this is the second tangent of the circle. Okay, Then enter radius of the circle is 10. Okay, and enter. This circle diameter is 20 and radius is 10, and the circle is tangented with this circle and this circle. Okay, like this you can draw any circle with using 10 radius command. Okay, now next is 10 10 10. Okay, see this is the first point on circle, this is the second point of the circle, and this is third point of the circle. Okay, like this the 10 10 10 circle command is used. Okay guys, in all these circle commands, if you any doubt, then comment in dialog box. I will answer to you in next session. Okay, regarding your comments. Okay, thank you.